Okay guys, don't forget to check the description box down below for hair and lash vendors. And the video starts in 3, 2, 1.
Hi, bye Felicia fams. This is Paulette here, bringing you another video. So this video is going to be about finding money to start or fund a business. And I would like to say right off top, if you're new to the channel, thank you for joining me. Your support is always welcome and I greatly appreciate that. And if you're returning, thank you also for supporting this channel. I want to just say right off top, I have notes because I don't want to miss anything, so I've written it down so you'll see me looking over to the side so that I can share this information with you and not miss anything or leave anything out. Also, you have to excuse my hair. I'm wearing the all natural look, and I know I probably look a hot mess. So yeah, comment down below, hashtag hot mess if you think my hair look a hot mess. But anyways, yeah, and I'm shooting this video, I think it's about 11:15 at night. So yeah, I'm tired and ready to go to sleep.
I didn't finish
I
this
need
video
to get this
till
content
about
out because a
3
lot of
a.m. in the
you
morning.
may be waiting on this video,
yeah.
or need the information because you're ready to start your business, whatever business it is. So with further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. First, like I said, this video is gonna go over how to find money to start a hair business or any business. It don't particularly have to be a hair business. These techniques and the information that I'm sharing with you can be used for any business. If you have a eyelash business, or you're selling t-shirts, cups, merch, if you do nails. So yeah, just watch to the end and always check the description box down below because there may be something that you can use or you can benefit off of. So yeah, first we're gonna talk about loans. So bank loans, you know that you can go get a loan. You can get a loan through a bank. You can get a loan through I would say payday loans, but I really don't suggest that because with payday loans they want to charge a high interest rate and they want their money back the next paycheck. And things come up about to where if something happened and you have to spend that money for something else, or if you don't make the sales that you need to make in order to recover that, you may end up having to refinance. And yeah, and it's just, so that would be, I would say, a last minute desperate I need it type of loan. But back to bank loans, you can always go in and get a loan through your bank. It's called a business loan, and most banks will give you a loan if you have a EIN. And for everybody that do not know what I'm talking about when I say EIN, that's what they give you when you have your own business. If you open your business, it pertains to nothing but your business account, and you use that to get your loans, to get financing so that you can take out money so that you can start your business, so you're able to start your business. And I have here my EIC for my business. As you can see, it comes from the Department of Treasury, Internal Revenue Services in your city. And I don't know if y'all can see that. And as you see, the business is by Felisha. And you see my name. And then you see a EIC number, which is a 9-digit number. And that's the number that you will use whenever you are doing business or anything that is pertaining to your business. So for applying for loans, I know that a lot of people, a lot of wholesalers, they have programs to where they will allow to pay, get the merchandise now and pay later, but they might want you to fill out a form and they would ask you to provide your EIN number, and that is what they're talking about. And it's basically a
Ew, did
number
I just dig in my
assigned to
nose?
you and only you for your business, and you use that as for tax purposes also. Also, I would suggest if you do not have that already on hand, be prepared to get that, because I believe that once you make over $400, the government wants you to pay taxes. So you have to start paying taxes on whatever you make from your business. Now, most states only have one tax. I'm from Texas. We only pay federal taxes, but I know that here in Georgia, they have two taxes that they pay. They pay federal and they pay state. Now, I really don't know too much of the ins and outs. I advise you to go down to your Internal Revenue Service or contact them, or contact your tax advisor for more information on the laws and the ins and outs of how much taxes you need to save out, or what is the tax rate on when you're selling merchandise, so that when you sell, you know to charge that amount of taxes when you sell your product, so that when tax time comes, you can be able to pay your taxes. Also, I would like to mention for a loan through the bank, you can always go in and apply for what they call a signature loan. Most banks give out signature loans, and signature loans are more for credit building. So you would pretty much go in to the bank and you would ask for a signature loan to build your credit. And most banks, it's around it pretty much starts off from $400 to $700. What they would do is you apply for it. Once you're approved, they will put that in your account. Most banks, within 24 hours from the time they put it in there, you will be able to go and take all that money out, some of that money out, and you will agree to set up a fee, maybe $25 a month, until you pay that loan back to the bank. So I would suggest that if you don't have other means of way of going or getting loans so that you can start your business, most banks do charge a small interest fee, but you would have to, whoever your financial advisor is, or financial, wherever you bank at, you have to go in and talk to them about what is the interest fee on a signature loan. So that is another way to fund your business. Secondly, I would say you can raise money. You can raise money by selling items. Most people sell on eBay. Some sell on Amazon. Some have their own little website that they open, like Shopee, for instance. Most people sell off that. If you don't want to take it that far and you need something easy, you say you want something quick, if you are the type of person that you're crafty and you can craft something together, you can sell it to friends, family, Instagram, YouTube, get on your Instagram and YouTube, Facebook, your neighbors, you can sell those items. Sell candy, chips, soda.
Guys, I forgot to mention a GoFundMe
Around
page and
people's,
also
around the
a garage
neighborhood
sale.
or church, to raise that money to just get you started, to get you up and running. So yeah, those are some ideas in order for you to raise money. You also can save money. Save. I know that a lot of people at the end of the month, after paying bills and taking care of everything, they don't have anything to save. I understand that because I myself is in that situation, and it's like, how can I squeeze this to save this when I don't have money to purchase this, or barely getting by with the food, or behind, have to pay half of a bill. I understand that. But if you are can and are able to put $5 back, put $10 back until you can save up enough. Most businesses, depending on what you are doing, startup fees, $500 will get you just up and running to make your first 1 or 2 sales, and then you just go from there. But so saving is another way of going about
Start a fundraiser.
raising the money. Borrow the money. That's the same as applying for a loan, but I suggested ask friends or family. If you have friends or family members that are supportive, are able to loan you the money, do that without giving them all the information, because believe it or not, a lot of people is not gonna be into what you want to do, and so a lot of people is not just gonna issue out $500 or $600 or $700, so give them something to
motivate them,
help them or make them want to invest in you or help you. Hey, if you loan me $500, I'll pay you back $550. Or if you briefly tell them what you're doing and they like what you're doing, hey, if you loan me $500, I'll give you back the 500 plus an extra 25, and then I'll throw in a bundle of hair, or I'll throw in lashes, or I will do your nails, whatever it is.
This would encourage them to want to help and also offer suggestions.
Let me see. Grants is another way to go about funding your business. When it comes down to grants are more for a nonprofit business. Nonprofit meaning that you are not making a profit off of the community, like me and I, like you and me, if that make any sense. Your money is coming from grants, sponsors. So that's how you're making money. You're really not making money because we're a nonprofit. Nonprofits don't make money. So it's like they're doing it for the community, doing it for a cause. So yeah, that's more for if you're running a nonprofit type of business.
I'm reading directly off my notes. I don't want to miss anything.
And last but not least, I hope I'm not boring you and you haven't clicked off. So yeah, last but not least, we have what they call afterpay. This is the fun part, afterpay. So basically you have businesses that offer afterpay. It's basically shop now and pay later. Have you ever wanted to buy something at your favorite store but you didn't have money in your account. I know I have. Comment down below and let me know. So, or you wanted to take advantage of a sale, but you knew you wouldn't be paid in time. I know I have. Comment down below. Afterpay allows you to make a purchase without having to pay for it on the spot. Then you simply pay off the money in installments. Yep, in installments, a payment plan. Easy payments with Affirm is one of them. AFFIRM is Affirm, and it's basically a company that has linked up with either the manufacturer or the vendor that you have found, and they have agreed to accept that payment. So what you would do is kind of like a loan, applying for credit, like a credit card or something. You will apply with Affirm would approve you for a certain amount. You would then be able to purchase the items that you need, whatever you need pertaining to your business, and then you'll be able to get the merchandise right then and there, and then set up a payment plan or agreement to what you will pay back, you know, and the amount you would pay, which amount you would pay back to Affirm. So for hair people who are in the hair business, I know that I told you, come to my channel. I'm gonna share vendors with you. I'm gonna help you, give you a vendor, and I have another vendor for you. And this vendor actually uses Affirm, and it is a USA American business. It is a family-owned business, but like I said, always do your research. Check them out. If you're in their city, go into them personally. Go into the store, the location. If not, contact them online. Also, you can always go down to your local Better Business Bureau, and check up on these companies as well. So yeah, it's called Dynasty Goddess Hair USA, and they sell VIP luxury hair. They're located at 6600 Franklin Avenue, Suite 8187, and they're in New Orleans, LA. Zip code 7022. Their phone number is 1-877-303-4VIP. Don't forget to check the description box down below for information, and if I forget to put it in the description, you can always re-look at this video. So with that being said, if you have any comments, any questions, make sure you go down, leave them down in the description box down below. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload another video. Share this, like this if you like this content. If you want to see more of this content, tell me what you would like me to upload. If you don't like it, hit the down button as well. So till the next video, ask that everybody be safe, stay blessed. Bye.